Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to create and secure a Telegram group if you are launching a meme coin or if you need that functionality for any other reason. So just follow along, and if you need to, you can pause and take notes or whatever you need to do. Alright, so just up here in Telegram on the top left, click the hamburger menu and click New Group, and we're going to add an image here. So we'll use that one there, set photo, and we'll just call it Demo YT. Click next and create. Alright, so that group's created. So now we're going to click up here on the name of the group. We're going to add a member, and we're going to type in, or we're going to click add first. No, we're going to do safeguard. That's the bot we'll be using. That top one here. Add that. And it doesn't really matter because this is a new group, so you can just click add. Alright, so there's our image. Now we're going to go to manage group, admins, add admin, safeguard. Can leave all that as it is. Click save, close, and actually you can click on this and make visible if you want, and then click save. Okay, so that one's done. So then we come back over to here. Now we create a channel, add the same image, set photo. Okay, and that one was called Demo YT. And then what I would do is put portal in caps. That way, because you're sending people to the portal, and then the portal will send them to your group, make them verify, and then give them access to your your group. Okay, so just put in portal here and click create. Now this is going to be public, and then make this link here, customize it to whatever your meme coin name is or whatever you're using this for. So we'll just do the Demo YT portal. Okay, so make this whatever you want, but associate it with your token name, your project, whatever. Click save. And we're going to skip this because, or actually we can just search it right here. Safeguard, add safeguard, add it, make it an admin, save. Okay, so that one's done. So now we have two. We have the portal, and then we also have just the regular group. Okay. Alright, so now go into the portal, and sorry, give me 1 second. Sorry, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the regular one here, not the portal. And we're going to click slash and then do the setup. Okay. And click create portal. Alright, then it's going to ask you which group you want to attach your portal to, so select group. And we're going to do demo YouTube. That's the regular one, not the portal. Okay, now select the channel. And now do the portal. Send. Now you can add media. So we're going to add that same picture just for this one here. Okay, and then you can add text. Welcome to Demo YT. Okay, and hit send and create portal, and your portal's been created. Okay, so now if we go into the portal channel, you can see here it says tap to verify. Click on that, and it'll give you a one-time access code to get into the main group. Okay, so when they click on that, obviously it doesn't do that for me because I'm already in there and I'm the admin and the owner. So, but once you see that, it's all set up. So when you see that, it shows like this where it says tap to verify, you're all good. So what you do is you get the link that you created, and section doesn't show up in here. This shows up different. Let me see what this one says. Okay, yeah. But anyway, just remember that link or write it down when you create this. And it was, mine was t.me/demo YT portal. Okay. So you're going to send people that link to the portal. And then when they click on that link, it'll send them here to the portal. They'll have to click to verify. It'll give them the link to the group. They'll click on the group and they'll be all set. So that way they have to go through here and verify themselves in order to get into your group. So if they're a bot or a scammer or whatever, they're probably not going to verify. The bot definitely won't, and the scammer probably won't. But anyway, so that's all you got to do. So like I said, I did go through it kind of quick, but once you do it a time or two, it's not too bad. So yeah, just follow along with the video, and like I said, if you need to pause it, and if you're going to do it and follow along with the video, then you shouldn't have any issues at all. All right, thanks for watching, guys.